So we remove the upper bolt on the header, the lower 10 millimeter down here. You would have 1, 2, 3 bolts typically holding this in, and a little 10 millimeter right here. Same thing for this side, 10 millimeter and 3 bolts. Screw right here for the headlight bracket, and your upper screw right here. The header panel should come loose, and you'll pull that away. Use the bolts from the crash bar. They are about 6 inches long. Put them in the front right here. You can now get a firm grip on the support, pull it straight out, tip it down, and now you're gonna have massive amounts of room to work in here. I have 3 10 millimeters right here. To take the hood latch off, pinch this and you can pull. I did this before since I have a brand new garage floor. This clip on the top, mine busted in 2 pieces, but you slide that clip out a little bit, give the hose a wiggle, right off of there, and it pops right out usually. So now we'll take off the fan. Nice right angle Milwaukee. So now we're going to take tension off of the pulley. Now you get your trusty Milwaukee impact out. So a trick to getting the clutch off so you can access the bolts, put a little Allen key, throw your metric rounds all on there, crack it loose. It's not very tight. Spin that baby off. Don't let it fall because it will go through a fin in the radiator, and then you will have some more expenses. This Allen key is somewhere over here. Just find it. Take that baby out. Grab extendo. Set about 6 o'clock on here. Whole thing will start coming off. And this will be released. Get your 10 millimeter Allen key, throw it in there, make sure it's seated. Give it some love. Now onto the crank bolts. They come out relatively good most of the time. Get a little brass hammer, just tap it nice and easy, free it up. .12, 24 millimeter. Turn the crank, get the cams aligned. Big pins on the inside. That's these right here, 1, 2. Have them facing in. And now you can take it all apart. Gasket surface we will prep right here for the thermostat. Get all the other schmutz out of there anyway. Clean up that water pump. Get the cookie cutter out if you want. All right, so we're gonna put the thermostat housing back on. Don't go too crazy on these bolts, you gotta torque them. So we're putting on the silicone. I'm just rubbing it on both sides right now. Put that baby on.